Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to link your verified agent AI with Billions network. So the first thing you want to do is your Billions network. You would tap on it to access the app info, depending on how you access app info from your device. So I actually use a Samsung. So once I hold on the app icon and select app info, it brings me here. So where you see defaults, that's set as defaults here, you're going to select this and make sure open supported links is turned off the way it is on my screen right now. If it's on, you turn it off. So that's the first step. The second step is you need to go to Google Play Store. You go to Google Play Store and you search for Termux. That is Termux. This app. You search for this app and you install it. Once the app is installed, then you launch it. So these are the commands that we'll be using for the app. So I'm going to leave these commands in the description of this video for you to access it and make use of it. So we'll be coming back here to take each of these step by step until the last step. So I'll go back now and launch the Termux app that I have installed. So this is what you are going to get on your screen once you launch the app. So like I said, we start step by step. Step one is to copy this. The first step, you copy that. You come back to the Termux app and you paste it. Once you paste, you run using the shift button on your keyboard. So once that's completed, you're going to see the green symbol followed by your $sign, and the next thing is you go to step 2. You copy step 2. When it comes to this, make sure you're copying correctly. If you miss out one thing, the whole sheet's not going to work. So I'll copy step 2, come back to the app and paste step 2 and run. So while it's loading, you're going to give it time. Don't interrupt the process. If you're using a device that would not allow you to minimize back and forth, it might be difficult for you to complete this step. For example, if your device restarts after minimizing the app, you might need to get someone with a more stable device, like someone who has a better RAM storage and processing speed on their own device. So now we're going to step 3. I've copied that and I would paste and run. So it's going to take some few seconds and then we're going to step 4. Copy step 4 as well. Come back to the app and you paste step 4 and run. Now, while you're doing this, it's important to know that you have linked your other socials like your Discord, your X accounts, and which other one? I think your Telegram account as well. So now we're going to step 5. Copy step 5 as well. Like I mentioned earlier, it's important you copy correctly. If you make a mistake while copying, you're going to have an error. So now we'll go to step 6. Copying from where you have the git clone up to the whole URL thing. I'm going to paste step 6 and run. That's done. So the next thing is step 7. Copy step 7. Come back to the app and run step 7. Then step 8. And run. So step 8 is loading. Don't interrupt the process, just allow it to complete. Currently we are on step 8. So when this is done, we'll move to step 9. It might take longer period on your device depending on how fast your phone can handle processes. So while we are here, if you find this tutorial very helpful, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also send me some super thanks. I would actually appreciate if you do. And when you complete this successfully, you're going to get 2000 power added to your billions profile. So it's still taking time to load. This step actually takes longer time to complete. So just wait for it. Don't go out of the app to do anything else. Okay, now it's completed. So we want to move to the next step. That's step 9. We paste step 9 and run. Then step 10. And run. Okay, and go to step 11. Now on this step 11, you might choose to edit before you copy. The part where you can see your name with the double is that double column? No, not double column. You can see where you have double your name before description. you can edit that your name to put the name you have on your billions profile, or you might just copy the way it is without touching anything. I would recommend you just copy the way it is without touching anything, so you don't make any mistake at all. So you go ahead and paste that and run as well. Now this is like the last part before the final part, that's step 10. So when you get here, you can see where you have the URL from here. From here where you have the HTTPS down to where you have the 93D0. You're going to copy that. Now I've copied that, and you close this, like just minimize. You go to your browser. Could use any browser of your choice. In this case, let me use Chrome. So I would open a new tab and I'll paste what I've copied and I'll submit. So this is going to load and it will bring you here where you need to pair your human and agents. So you choose the login method, which is sign in with Google, and then you select the email address that you have on your billions profile. That's the email you created your billions profile with. You select that and it takes you to the next page. It's going to take some few seconds to load, so you just give it some time. So once it's done loading, you're going to get this page. For you to do this, you need to make sure you have your proof of credential present in your wallet. That's your billions profile, and then you tap on verify. And once the verification is complete, you will find the verified peer agents in your profile. Now you can see from my screen it says claimed already. So I'll tap on verify and you get this page generating proof. So all of this might take a while. You just need to be patient and follow it step by step in order to get everything right. While we are waiting the token generation events of Billions Network, it's important for you to be positioned as well. Make sure you've done all the right things you need to do from your profile in order for you to be eligible for the airdrop and distribution. So make sure you've linked all the required credentials as well as your social handles, the Discord and the X. They are very important, as well as verifying your identity either with your NIN, your voters card, or your international passport. So just give it time allowed to complete its process. So it says your agent is linked to you and is registered on Billion Network. So you can see agent in your profile. Now before this, you go back to uh, the notes and then copy the last step and come back here to run the last step. Now the last step will generate your key, and you need to copy that key out. You will see it on your screen somewhere around here where you have the key. Copy that and back it up on your notepad. Make sure your notepad is also synced with your Google account so you don't lose them when you lose your phone. So that's how you link your agent to your Billions network profile. So let me tap on see agent in profile, and this is what I get. You come to contact info. Okay, sorry, not contact info. Okay, yeah, I've done this before, so now I happen to have two agents on my accounts. So I'll just go ahead and close. Now the social verification I mentioned, you need to make sure you have your Telegram, your X, and your Discord linked, your email, your identity, that's your uniqueness, and all of this. Make sure everything is completed, and that's it. That makes you ready for the token generation events. So you can see I have an hash power of 9,300, and you can see this, we've added plus 2,000 power to your account for linking an AI agent. So that's how you complete the linking of the AI agents on your Billions profile. And that's the end for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.